Did you know the man who put America on the moon was a Nazi war criminal? July 20th, 1969. The world watched as Neil Armstrong stepped onto lunar soil. Behind that triumph stood Wernher von Braun, celebrated as NASA's rocket genius. But his past held a horrifying secret the government desperately hid. During World War II, von Braun was an SS officer who built Hitler's V-2 rockets. These weren't just weapons, they were death machines built by slave labor. At Mittelbau Dora concentration camp, 20,000 prisoners died building his rockets. Von Braun personally selected workers from the camps, knowing they would be worked to death. Underground factories became mass graves as prisoners collapsed from exhaustion and starvation. After the war, Operation Paperclip brought him to America, erasing his crimes. The government needed his expertise more than justice for his victims, so they gave him a new identity and unlimited resources. The moon landing was humanity's greatest achievement, built on the bones of concentration camp victims.